Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.